Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to set your time on the Casio F91w. This tutorial will work on all Casio F91w models, so all variations. Also it will work on similar Casio models such as the W86 and the metallic one on the right side, which is the A163w. Let's get to it, guys. As you already know, we have the mode function here on the left side. So if we press the button once, it will take us to the alarm function. If we press it for the second time, it will take us to the chrono function. And if we press it for the third time, we will be able to set the time. Now, if we use the button on the upper part, you'll be able to see that we can select the hours, the minutes, and also the seconds, also the date, the day of the month, and also one more time the day of the week. So let's get to the first part in which we'll select the hour. So let's make it 18 and let's make it 30. So 18:30. You can see that if I hold the button on the right side, I can pass the minutes a lot faster. So once you're done, so if you only want to set the time, you just push the button on the left side, and here you have the hour set to 18:30, and since the seconds already passed 60, we have now 18:31. So that was the tutorial, guys. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure to check out our website, which is vintageradar.com, where we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys, and see you next time.